In 2025, the role of AI personal finance assistants is set to revolutionize how we manage our financial landscapes. These digital tools have already begun transforming budgeting, investment strategies, and tax management, showcasing their ability to analyze income and expenditure patterns with precision. Imagine a world where AI combs through your financial data, offering insights that help you optimize your investments and minimize tax liabilities seamlessly. The heart of these AI solutions lies in their tireless efficiency. Unlike human advisors who work within the constraints of time, AI operates around the clock, tirelessly searching for optimization opportunities. For instance, tools like ChatGPT Voice and Clio AI not only track your spending habits but also suggest actionable strategies tailored to your financial goals. They can identify trends in your financial behavior, bringing to light spending leaks you may not even recognize, ultimately guiding you towards smarter financial decisions. However, the capabilities of these intelligent systems raise pivotal questions about the future of human financial advisors. While AI can digest vast amounts of data and provide recommendations, there are nuances in financial planning that require human touch, empathy, understanding personal contexts, and tailoring advice that resonates on a personal level. Financial decisions often hinge on emotional factors and life experiences that AI cannot fully grasp. As we embrace AI as a financial assistant, the essence of human interaction remains irreplaceable, serving as a vital complement to these technological advancements. In summary, as we peer into the future of personal finance in 2025, AI personal finance assistants will undoubtedly enhance our financial management capabilities. They will bring unmatched efficiency in analyzing data and optimizing strategies while highlighting the limitations that keep human advisors relevant. The best outcome lies in a merger of both worlds, blending AI's data-driven insights with the nuanced understanding that human advisors provide, ensuring a comprehensive approach to financial well-being. In the fast-paced world of finance, AI emerges as a formidable ally, outpacing human capabilities in real-time money tracking. Imagine having a sophisticated assistant that categorizes your every expense the moment it occurs, transforming raw data into actionable insights before you even process the transaction. This seamless operation not only offers clarity but also safeguards against overspending by sending instant alerts, ensuring you remain informed and financially savvy without lifting a finger. Investment optimization is another domain where AI shines. Picture a powerful analytical tool that can examine fluctuating market conditions in mere seconds, calculating the best possible outcomes at lightning speed. AI doesn't just react, it auto-adjusts portfolio allocations dynamically, redefining your financial strategy. With personalized suggestions crafted from extensive datasets and market analysis, AI provides a tailored approach that enhances your investment potential, making decisions with unfaltering precision that no human could match. Tax planning represents another frontier where AI's prowess shines brightly. Visualize an intelligent system spotting deductions that often slip through the cracks of human oversight. It's as if you're equipped with a personal accountant, always on alert, ensuring that you capitalize on every potential savings opportunity. Looking towards the future, real-time tax optimization becomes an achievable reality, where tax strategies are recalibrated instantaneously to evolve with your changing financial landscape. AI's objective nature eradicates emotional biases that frequently plague human investors. Imagine a scenario where panic selling becomes obsolete, where market dips evoke calculated responses instead of hasty decisions. AI remains unfazed by the psychological turmoil that often leads humans astray. It processes information devoid of emotion, making rational choices based purely on data. This characteristic not only shields investments from erratic human behavior, but also promotes a stable and calculated approach to navigating financial challenges. In today's fast-paced world, managing finances efficiently is more important than ever. The integration of artificial intelligence in personal budgeting and investing has revolutionized the way individuals approach these tasks. Utilizing AI budgeting tools can streamline your financial planning, making it easier to track your expenses, set savings goals, and understand your cash flow. AI budgeting tools automatically categorize your spending, providing real-time insights into your financial habits. Imagine receiving notifications whenever you approach your budget limits, allowing you to adjust your spending habits accordingly. This proactive approach lets you make informed decisions and ensures that you remain within your financial boundaries, all while visualizing your progress towards financial goals. These tools often come with user-friendly interfaces, making them accessible for everyone regardless of their financial expertise. Additionally, exploring AI investment platforms can open a new realm of opportunities for growing your wealth. These platforms analyze a myriad of data sources to provide personalized investment recommendations tailored to your financial situation, preferences, and risk tolerance. Picture a sophisticated algorithm evaluating market trends and predicting movements, helping you invest with confidence. You can easily diversify your portfolio with minimal effort, ensuring a balanced approach to risk management while capitalizing on market potential. However, combining the power of AI with human insight can often yield the best results. This hybrid model, utilizing both AI assistants and human advisors, brings together analytical efficiency and personal touch. Human advisors offer experience and emotional intelligence that AI simply cannot replicate, such as navigating complex financial situations and providing empathy during market downturns. Think of this collaboration as a safety net, where the AI does the heavy lifting of data analysis, while the human advisor steers you through nuanced financial decisions. This dynamic duo enhances your financial strategy, leveraging the strengths of both while mitigating weaknesses. Imagine feeling secure, knowing that while an AI is working tirelessly to present you with data-driven insights, your human advisor remains attuned to your personal financial goals and milestones. In conclusion, embracing AI budgeting tools, AI investment platforms, and a hybrid advisory model will elevate your financial management. The future of finance is here, and it offers powerful solutions that empower individuals to make smarter financial decisions, maximize opportunities, and achieve lasting security and growth in their financial journeys. In the rapidly evolving landscape of finance, it's essential to recognize the transformative power of artificial intelligence. While some may fear that AI could overtake the role of financial advisors, the true narrative is about adaptation and innovation. Financial advisors who harness AI's potential stand to gain a significant edge over those who resist change. With advanced algorithms and predictive analytics, they can provide more accurate insights and personalized strategies for their clients. The integration of AI into financial planning creates a landscape where data-driven decisions are at the forefront. Imagine a financial advisor equipped with tools that analyze vast amounts of market data in real time. This capability allows for timely interventions and strategic recommendations based on precise analytics. Clients benefit from tailored financial plans that are not just based on historical data, but are also forward-looking, anticipating market shifts and trends. The result is a more dynamic approach to wealth management and investment strategies. Furthermore, AI enables advisors to streamline processes and enhance client experiences. By automating routine tasks, financial advisors can dedicate more time to nurturing client relationships and developing customized plans. Picture an advisor who can focus on understanding a client's personal financial goals, free from the burden of tedious data entry or analysis. This improved efficiency not only enhances service quality, but also empowers advisors to become trusted partners in their clients' financial journeys. As technology continues to reshape the financial advisory industry, staying ahead means embracing innovation rather than fearing it. Those who incorporate AI into their practice can better serve their clients and substantiate their expertise with data-driven results. The vision of a future filled with empowered advisors leveraging AI tools reveals a promising path ahead. By transitioning into this new realm, financial advisors can solidify their relevance and ensure sustainable growth in an increasingly competitive market. To thrive in the age of AI, financial advisors must be proactive and receptive to new technologies. The competition won't merely be about experience or qualifications. It will hinge on harnessing AI for superior decision-making and client service. In the end, the advisors who incorporate artificial intelligence will not only secure their positions but will also elevate the entire industry standard. As we look forward, the time to adapt is now, and aligning with AI is the key to staying ahead. Join us in exploring this exciting intersection of AI and finance. Subscribe for more AI plus finance insights.